Hey guys, this is the Real Health Doc, and I'm a board certified family physician, and I specialize in personal health and fitness. I'm also an avid outdoor enthusiast. I'm here to talk about a question that my patients often ask me. What one lift can help them and reduce mortality and be very quick? My favorite lift is dumbbell deadlift curl press. I know that's kind of a lot. That's a compound lift that you can do 3 or 5 sets of 10 reps super fast, take you about 20 minutes. And that engages the whole body from the core to the legs, even the calves and up to the shoulders. Doing that simple lift can make a huge difference and decrease your overall mortality. I actually keep a set of dumbbells in my office so I can do a set or two of these in between patients. Have fun being real with health.